So now I would like to show you how can we modify the train. So you can right click on the train and use the clone train. It's like a virtual copy of your train, and you can change and modify it without make any change on your real train. So if you right click on this and go to the add new modification layers, you have various shapes, lines, polylines to modify your train. For example, if you have a hole or a problem in on your train, then you can use autofill no data regions. Then you click on it, okay. So we don't have any problem on this train, but I would like to show you, for example, imagine that you don't have data here. Then you just make a modification and it use the elevation of the neighbors and interpolate the train. So you can choose a name and you can also choose the modification method, use the replace train values, higher values, add constant values, or here you can use the constant value, but these just keep the default values. And you can also always check by press F1 what is these parameters. So now I would like to run the model with make a channel. So I just go to train, then right click, add new modification layer, go to lines and channels. So by a line, we would like to make a channel. So I would like to make it as here. So you can see the name and everything. For example, I like to change the width as 15 and make this as 3, or this one as just keep it as 100. And you can see the stations and the elevations. So I like to change this to 2.3, or this one is to just 2. Then you can see the values and then okay. So we make the channels. So then I like to save it and then exit, save, and run the model. So you should go to the save plan as and make a new plan. So I made it before and then compute it. Here you can stop your simulation and you can pause your simulation. And if you want to check the results, which I always recommend to check your results before finishing the results, so then you can make a snapshot and come here to check your results. So here you can see the results or the velocity. Just need the modification.